fell off. Definitely need to replace. No joke. That's all. That's how much. That's how much just ripped, and now it's gone. Totally gone.
Well, the picture in May, it's showing he's ripped.
Yeah.
Like it's ripped, but now it's gone. And 2 months later.
Okay. This is A6 axle. A6 2006 Audi A6 Quattro axle bolt. The side is 17 socket right here. Let's show the number. It's number 17. Where is it? Right here. 17. Right here. To remove. Okay, we go for plan B here. Plan A is not working. We go for plan B. Plan B is this one right here. Okay, and this language. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if it's working. Yep. It's working. Now we can use the easy, see? Now you take out the 2006 Audi A6 axle. Okay, now the car back on the floor check. Let's take the tire off. Okay. Before they throw it here, they replaced the brand new brake right there. I told them to do so. And the axle, how on earth the boot goes so bad like that? And then still drive more. We're gonna replace it. Okay, the plan was changed because this is very strong. This screw, that axle right there is super strong. I cannot use this one right here. This is the one I showed earlier, number 10, triple spline socket star or whatever. It's not working. So what I did was I go to Raleigh and buy a set of, right here, I show you, right here, from Raleigh, $10, and just bang it in it, number 10. They have number 10 pack in there. Otherwise, you're gonna strip the head of the screw over there, it'll ruin your day. So be careful. For all of you who know is how tough to get it out. That for unexperienced DIY, you gotta be careful. It's not that easy to get it out. But like I said, don't be intimidated. Just try, just be patient. You will get it. See, that toolbox right there is not working. Now I lose all already. Now I use the light one. I use the light one to take it out. Use the driver right here. This is heavy. A half-quarter, half-inch or whatever. And this is 3/8. 3/8 is not gonna work. The ratchet. Use the ratchet extension. Half. The 3/8 extension is not work. Too light. I must be able to remove it out without any further problem. Just use that heavy duty tools to get all this screw out right here. See, about 6 of them. And this is new old. Actually, this is I saved this 5 years ago for my daughter. Yeah. Right there. We gotta put a new one in, and the strap up there. Set, ready to go. Clean it up a little bit. Another major on this car is oil leak from the valve cover gasket or time and chain gasket, because when I replaced the engine 5 years ago, I put a silicone gasket on it. Now it's probably blow up. It's start to leak badly right there. It's not that bad. She drove over here 1,000 miles from Virginia. Cost her like half quart. So I have to add it. So hopefully after done everything, I'll let you guys know what I've been doing for this car. Like I said, they're trying to charge her over $8,000. Are you kidding me? Told her to remove the car from the shop right away. They charge her with just to take a look for like $40, $50, something like that. And they're trying to troubleshoot where the oil leak come from. They say just for that troubleshoot, not fixing the problem, $200. I say forget it. I'll find out myself. All right, guys. Watch my video be carefully if you never have experience of DIY. You know, it's a little bit of talent, but I mean challenge, but it's not that bad. You can do it. So like what, 8,000 everything on this car, from brake, front brake, 2 tires, 1 axle, and they said only 1 upper control arm. And right here I checked, there's nothing wrong with the outer tie rod, so I leave it alone. And the oil leak, they don't even say they're gonna fix it. 8,000 something, almost 9,000. If anybody has that experience, I will give you my phone if you comment on my channel YouTube, Uncle Shafi. And I've been experienced for fixing the cars, selling the cars since 1987, 89. I own a shop in Maryland, Newburgh, for 8 years over there with the 3 employees over there, and I closed 2011, and bankruptcy here and there because something going on with the stock. I've been day trading and caused big problem. All right, guys, subscribe please. Here I use this jack to check this, so I can line up all those screws right there for the axles right here, and you have to line up one by hand. Oh, right here. I don't know if I made it right there. Right there. Like that. See? One by hand. Okay, and then you tighten it later. And 6 screws in there. I have 3 more to go to line up. Same thing with this. This is the bolt to tighten there. You have to twist by hand, make it through good like that, and then tight later. Follow me step by step, you will make it. Don't be intimidated. If you have any question, just call Uncle Shafi. I use a foot-pound right here. Probably I put it's specification for like 59 foot-pound, but usually I put 60 pounds. And then if you want, just put the glue Loctite or tight lock glue. But I've been working on this for too long. I never put glue, and never happened, never broke or anything. Or not the big nut, probably 130 pounds, some say 148 pounds. But I never measure this, I got cheap stuff, very hard to read here. You don't have to buy the tool for like a snap-on or something like $300-400 or something like that. All those mechanics trying to intimidate you. Don't buy it. This is just a Pittsburgh. This one is not a Pittsburgh one, but what is it? A hammer. About $50, 55 bucks. So this one you type probably around 130 to 140. It's good enough. 148 probably foot-pound. And the one inside there probably 80 Newton meter. And usually I type up to 60 foot-pounds. That's 6 nuts right there. Okay. Okay, a recap quick what the job has been done on this car. First, axles, and this I haven't tied this bolt yet. I have to put the tire so I can hold this, won't spin. Upper arm control right there is done. The new axle right there is done. And what I did was remove all the strut assembly out to remove all this bolt right there and put it back and remove the axle. I didn't remove anything else, just that this arm control and this one right here, the sway bar. Okay, and this screw has to tighten it back when I put the wheel. Okay, that's it. Like I said, it's not that bad. So please do it. Say $4,000. What else? Oil leak through the timing chain cover, and then flush the power steering fluid, and put the tires right here. I will do this tire myself too. The Continental right here. Right there. 245 Continental Pro contacts. 245 40 R 18 XL 97B. She gonna use another 5 years hopefully. Make new car too expensive. New car